To cut an object in Blender, you can use Boolean modifier. Place the object so it has overlap with the cube. Select the cube and add Boolean modifier. Use the eyedropper tool to select the object that we want to cut with and apply the modifier. Enter edit mode with Tab. Hold Alt to select loop. You can edit the object and delete the faces manually. You can use the knife tool with K. You can use Bisect tool. Just make sure to select the faces that you want to cut. And finally, you can use Bool Tool add-on, which is my preferred way. First, select the object that you want to cut with, then while holding Shift, select another object. Then click Shift, Ctrl, B. Select Difference.